Hey everyone, today we are diving into a quick and easy way to personalize your experience in Qwenlm.ai. Tired of a default look? Well, guess what? You can change the theme. We all like the things to look just the way we want, right? And Qwenlm.ai is no different. Changing the theme lets you adjust the visual style, maybe for better readability or just to match your personal preference. It's super simple and makes using Qwenlm.ai even more enjoyable. So, are you ready to give your Qwenlm.ai a makeover? Let's get started. First things first, go to your preferred browser and type Qwenlm.ai. Hit enter. Now log into your account. And this is how the homepage looks like. Now find the profile icon in top right corner. It's over here. Tap on it. And over here you can see a setting icon. Have you spotted it? If yes, tap on it. This will open a menu or a setting panel. Here you can see several options under the setting section. Under general you can see theme option. It's over here. Just beside theme you can see three options for the theme. One is system, second is dark, and third is light. Now go ahead and try clicking through the different theme options. See how the interface changes. You can preview theme before you can actually apply it. Experiment a little and find the theme that you might think looks best for you. Which one are you liking so far? Let's go through it one by one. Some theme is the theme that your browser is running on. Dark means a little bit black. It gives a silk look to your Qwen chat, and light gives you a light background. Now select your preferred theme. I love the dark one, so I am tapping on dark. And that's it. You have successfully changed the theme in Qwenlm.ai. See how easy it was. Now your workspace is looking exactly how you want it. So go ahead and play around with the different themes. I'll find your perfect style and enjoy using Qwenlm.ai. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.